Lending a hand, unraveling the meaning of a helpful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language and unlock its secrets, one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a very common and heartwarming phrase, "Can I lend a hand?" This expression is not just about the words but about the spirit of helpfulness and community it embodies. So, let's get started and find out what it truly means to offer a hand. Can I lend a hand? Might seem straightforward at first glance, but it's packed with meaning and cultural nuances. To lend means to give something to someone for a short period, expecting it to be returned. However, when we talk about lending a hand, we're not talking about giving away a physical hand. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used to offer help or assistance to someone in need. The beauty of this phrase lies in its simplicity and the immediate sense of warmth and willingness to support others it conveys. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of this phrase, it's deeply rooted in the English language's long history of using body parts metaphorically to describe actions and intentions. Over time, lending a hand has become a popular way to express one's readiness to help out, emphasizing the communal and cooperative aspects of human nature. It reflects a time when communities were tightly knit, and helping each other was crucial for survival. "Can I lend a hand?" is incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of situations, from offering physical assistance to providing emotional support. Here are some examples. In a practical context, if you see someone struggling to carry heavy bags, asking, "Can I lend a hand?" is a polite and kind way to offer your help. In a professional setting, when a coworker is overwhelmed with work, offering a hand by saying this phrase can be a great way to foster teamwork and camaraderie. In personal relationships, if a friend is going through a tough time, saying, "Can I lend a hand?" shows that you're there for them, whether they need someone to listen or help with specific tasks. Offering help, as encapsulated by the phrase, "Can I lend a hand?" is a universal value, yet it holds a special place in many cultures around the world. It signifies not just the act of helping, but also the strength of community bonds and the importance of empathy and kindness. Understanding when and how to offer help is a crucial part of navigating social interactions and building relationships, making this phrase an essential tool in your English language arsenal. "Can I lend a hand?" is much more than a simple question. It's a gesture of goodwill, a bridge between cultures, and a testament to the enduring human spirit of cooperation. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase's meaning and usage but also inspired you to look for opportunities to lend your own hand in your daily life. Remember, every act of kindness, no matter how small, makes a big difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay helpful and stay curious.